Rogers verification codes not arriving via SMS or email is a common problem often caused by a few key issues. Firstly, Rogers uses automated SMS filters to block suspected spam or fraudulent messages. Legitimate short codes from services like banks can sometimes be mistakenly flagged. Secondly, email filters, especially with providers like Gmail or Outlook, may route the verification emails to your spam folder. This can happen if Rogers' email servers have sender reputation issues. Finally, Rogers implements retry mechanisms with rate limiting to prevent abuse, restricting SMS retries to 5 per hour. Any of these factors can prevent you from receiving your verification code. Always check your spam or junk mail folders first. These filters may be blocking your verification codes. There are several things you can do to resolve Rogers verification code issues. Begin by checking your SMS and email spam or junk folders for the missing code. Ensure that Do Not Disturb mode is disabled on your phone. Clear cache, cookies, and browsing history. Next, try whitelisting Rogers email addresses and SMS shortcodes in your email and phone settings. Manually retry requesting the verification code, waiting at least 10 to 15 minutes between attempts due to rate limiting. If SMS continues to fail, consider switching to an app-based authenticator like Google Authenticator, or exploring Rogers' QR code-based 2FA pilot program, as SMS is becoming less secure. If problems persist, contact Rogers support directly for assistance with potentially unblocking your number or email address. As a last resort, consider whitelisting the Rogers domain to allow emails. Also ensure you have an account set up in the Rogers app to make troubleshooting easier.